Breaking news. See what a popular musician told Pastor Adeboye that God's people so annoyed with him. The popular Nigerian musician and the producer of a music, Sam Clef, has posted and lambasted the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Adeboye, for declaring a 30 days fasting and prayer for Nigeria. According to Sam Clef, Pastor Adeboye needs to stop deceiving people by telling them to fast and pray for the country, stating clearly that no amount of fasting can solve Nigerians' problem. Recall that few days ago, Pastor Enoch Adeboye declares that Nigerians should remark on a 30 days fasting and prayers due to the increasing unrest that has proceeded across the country. He read in part, "Fasting cannot solve Nigerians' problems," Sam Clef declares. "Who did I offend?" Frustrated lady who wants to take him to Twitter to condemn this, Sam Clef wrote, "I believe in God, and one thing I know for sure is that God is not that wicked. Nigerians have been praying for 60 years now. We don't need fasting and prayer. All we need is to change our mentality from worshipping money, pastor, imam, or politicians, and that is all. Just so that you all knows that fasting cannot solve Nigerian problems. Please go and eat. Don't allow all these religious men to be deceiving you. Fast call, fast me. Is Osibajo not a redeemed pastor? Make him fast for 100 years and 100 nights." Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Imagine, will fasting kill you? Even if you're fasting, you're not only fasting for people alone, you're also fasting for yourself and your family members, now or in future. That is it. I want to urge Mr. Sam Clef. Fasting is not for a person like him, because he don't even believe in God. This is why he has the guts to utter such a statement about a man of God. Is there anything difficult for God to do? Nothing. But he doesn't believe that. He doesn't believe that. Imagine. And come to think of it, fasting are for redeemed members and not everybody in this country. If you want to fast, if you want to join the redeemed to fast, fine. You can join them if you have any issues. So fasting is not by force. They did not ask you to fast by force because of the things going on in Nigeria. No. If you want to fast, you can fast. That is a choice. That is your choice. So what is this? What is Sam Clef's problem? Why will he be complaining about Pastor Adeboye and the fasting he declared for the Redeemed Christian Church of God members? Imagine. I don't know why people always take medicine for other people's illness. I don't know. What is your own, Sam Clef? Imagine, he clarifies each time. He gives instructions with a clauses like, "For my children and others who wish to." You're on your own. If you have issues with him, then you should go ahead and resolve your issues. You are not forced to belong. You're not forced to fast and pray. It's not by force. It's not that he brought rope and tie on your neck and draw you around the world or the country and says that you must fast. No, it's not by force. It's a matter of choice, as I've said before. Imagine, you don't want to fast, you don't want to pray. Is it your business? It's left for you to do. It's either you fast or you don't fast. That is your own palaver. That should not make you insult a man of God because he asks you to fast, or he asks people to fast in Nigeria, or the church member Nigerians have done a lot of sacrifice. They have done a lot of sacrifice. So blood and ritual cannot even make anything work. So many abortion sins, the Almighty God still continue to have mercy upon us. But still, see what what Sam Clef is saying about a man of God that is trying to help your country, that is trying to help you. Someone that is trying to help you and your family, and you are saying such a thing about him. Imagine. Say nobody should believe him, that he's always deceiving people, should stop deceiving and all of that. Has he ever deceived you before? Even if he's deceiving people, is it your business? As long as he didn't come to you and force you or deceive you, how is that of your wahala? How is that of your concern? Imagine. People are saying that some pastors want to gain popularity by all means, and now and Imagine. This is not a first thing. It's not a by first thing at all. It's not it's a matter of choice. So people should tell Sam Clef that he doesn't know what to say. He should go back to school and learn more, and learn how to respect and learn English and understand whatever he sees. Any handwriting he sees on the wall, let him read and understand before coming out to conclude. Pastor Adeboye did not say, Sam Clef, you and your family must fast. No. He did not mandate it on him. So it's just, even some redeemed members will not even fast. So what is your own there? You don't want to fast. Is it anybody's concern? Is it anybody's concern? It's not anybody's concern. So if he likes, he should fast. If he doesn't like, let him relocate to his hometown or your. Not criticizing and saying rubbish about a man of God. For me, I know that fasting and prayer is very important for you, for individuals, every individuals. But it's not a matter of choice. You don't want to fast, then don't fast. So if they want to fast, they fast from 6 o'clock a.m. till 7 to 6 in the morning. So fast from 6 a.m. in the morning to 6 in the evening. Some fast from 6 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m. So what is your own? Fasting and prayer is fasting and prayer. Doesn't matter the time you break, the time you start. As long as you are fasting from the whole of your heart, and the prayer you're praying is from God, and you make sure that your fasting does not, sins does not deprive you or deprive your fasting from being answered, or your prayers from being answered. It's that, as I said before, fasting and prayer is very important. Still, our actions and attitude and way of doing things will be crowned by our fasting. But please, Mr. Man, Sam Clef, you can only add your advice to things or to some other things, and not condemning what a man of God has said that will help your life and future. So viewers, what would you have to say concerning this? What is your own opinion? Your comment concerning this news is very much important. Don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates